Hi, I'm Rob Kaplan with Currie Technologies, and we're here at the Charged Up event in Hamburg, New Jersey, and we're talking about the IZIP E3 Path Plus. This is a new bike for us for 2014. It's been getting great reviews, and we're real excited about it. It has a powerful 500-watt hub motor that gives you lots of power to get up hills, very quiet, very smooth. That combined with a 48-volt lithium battery pack in the rear rack, easily removable so you can take it inside to charge it up. 48 volts is very efficient power delivery. And we use a cadence sensor on this bike to deliver the power in pedal assist mode, but it's a very advanced cadence sensor that actually feels almost like a torque sensor. So it's very intuitive, very smooth. You've got 4 different levels of pedal assist that you can toggle through here on the control panel. The control panel also gives you things like odometer, speed, etc. And then this really cool thing, which is real-time range indicator. We're able to do that because the control panel, the battery, and the motor are all combined in a sealed system, and it allows us to capture how much power you're using and then extrapolate out how much power you have left in the battery so you don't have any range anxiety when you go for a nice ride. So the IZIP E3 Path sells for $2,400, available now at your local IZIP dealer. Hey, this is Rob Kaplan at the Charged Up event here in Hamburg, New Jersey. We're here to talk about the IZIP E3 Dash. This is a new bike for us for 2014 that's been getting great response in the marketplace. Everyone who rides it loves it. This is a speed bike, so it's got a 500-watt direct drive motor combined with a 48-volt lithium battery pack. We use a torque sensor on this bike, and what it allows us to do is it gives you throttle mode up to 20 miles an hour. But in pedal assist mode, if you're really pushing hard, you can get this bike up to 28 miles an hour in pedal assist. And that's giving yourself a pretty good workout, but it's really fun, really fast. You can get that range for anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per charge. The control panel has lots of neat functionality, gives you the ability to cycle through your pedal assist function. It gives you different modes of information, so you've got odometer, distance, etc. And then we've got this real-time range indicator that allows us to measure how much power is actually left in the battery pack by extrapolating out how much you've been using it over the last handful of period of time you're riding. And it gives you the ability to really closely monitor your range so you don't run out of power down the road without anything to get home. The IZIP E3 Dash sells for $2,600, and it's available today at your local IZIP retailer. Hey, Rob Kaplan here from Currie Tech. We're here at the Charged Up event in Hamburg, New Jersey, and we're here to talk about the IZIP E3 Peak. This is a new bike for us for 2014 and uses our own center drive system. So the center drive, which is mounted in the frame, has several advantages over a hub drive. Obviously, the weight is lower and more centered on the bike, so it handles more like a normal bike. You can use normal wheels, which on this bike are 27.5 or 650B mountain bike wheels. It also puts out lots and lots of torque. This center drive puts out almost 65 Newton meters of torque, whereas the highest powered hub motors put out about 40 to 45 Newton meters of torque. So it's a great bike for getting up hills. It's also a speed bike, so when you have this bike in pedal assist mode, you can actually get up to 28 miles an hour by working hard. The LCD display gives you all the standard cyclo-computer functionality, speed, distance, etc., etc. It also gives us real-time range indicator, which we use by taking the real data from the battery and figuring out how you've been using the motor, and then extrapolating out how much range you have left. And again, you've got 4 different levels of pedal assist, the 4th level being turbo mode and giving you that boost to get up to 28 miles per hour when you're working hard. The IZIP E3 Peak is available today at your local IZIP retailer for about $3,000. Hey, Rob Kaplan with Currie Tech here at the Charged Up event in Hamburg, New Jersey. We're here to talk about the IZIP E3 Twn XP. This is a new bike for us for 2014. We're pretty excited about it. It's a compact bike. It looks like a folding bike, but it's not. But it does have a much more compact size and package, so it's easier to store and put places. Uses very durable cast aluminum wheels with a 400-watt direct drive motor in the hub. It's got a 48-volt lithium battery pack housed here in the rear carrier that's removable, so you can charge it inside the house or outside the house. This bike has a couple of different functionalities. You've got throttle mode that actually gives you cruise control up to 20 miles an hour, and then you've got 4 different levels of pedal assist. When you get up into the 3rd and 4th level of pedal assist, if you're working, you can actually get this bike up to 28 miles an hour, so it's technically a speed bike. Has hydraulic brakes, Normal 9-speed gears in the back, sells for about $2,800. The IZIP E3 Twn XP, a great alternative for a commute bike, comes complete with a lighting system, ready to go. Great option for getting around town very efficiently. IZIP E3 Twn XP. Hey folks, Rob from Currie Tech here. We're at the Charged Up event in Hamburg, New Jersey, and we're here to talk about the IZIP E3 Zuma. This model has been around for a few years, but for 2014 we've made some pretty significant changes. The biggest one that you can see is there's no battery sitting over the rear wheel. We've actually integrated the battery into the seat tube. What that does is makes the bike very balanced. There's no extra weight hanging over the rear wheel, so it handles really much like a normal bike. Has a high power geared 500-watt hub motor to give you plenty of torque to get up the hills. It's got a very simple user control that gives you either throttle mode or pedal assist. In pedal assist mode, you've got 3 different levels of pedal assist, and the throttle will always override. This bike sells for $2,400 and is a great option with disc brakes for safe stopping. The IZIP E3 Zuma, available now at your local IZIP dealer.